Here's my super awesome, super fast way to unclog your airbrush gun. Whether you're in the middle of working, painting, doing someone's makeup, or even decorating a cake, this is a surefire way to help you unclog that pesky little clog. Here you go, guys. I hope you like it. Super awesome, super fast. Let's do it. All right, so here we are. We're airbrushing and not a damn thing is coming out. Quick fix is to unscrew the needle cover in the back, gently loosen the chug nut that's holding the needle in place, and while you're pressing down for air to flow, pull back and loosen that needle. You might notice it might even be stuck. So once you start pulling back, do a couple nice big pumps so you get lots of product coming out the front. I like to use a cleaner such as alcohol or water for this. Once you get these nice big puffs going, you know you've loosened that up. So go ahead and tighten everything back up and you should be spraying like a dream. It works every time.